investigate definition, investigate in a sentence, investigate pronunciation, investigate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of investigate. Investigate. In-ve-sti-gate. Investigate. Investigate as a verb means to examine the facts to establish the truth, or to research and study something, or to look in more detail. Common usages in academic writing: to investigate whether or not, to investigate more closely, to investigate in detail, to investigate the problem, to open an investigation, to hire an investigator. Example sentence, investigate verb. We set out to investigate the link between lifespan and metabolism. The common academic writing variation is investigation, noun. A formal investigation was opened into the occurrence on January 5th, 1977. And investigator, noun. The family chose to hire a personal investigator after the local police department failed to find any evidence. Please write a sentence using investigate in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of investigate, the meaning of investigate, and investigate example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.